Welcome back to another video, guys. So in the previous video we have discussed about the internet, we have discussed about the different functions of internet, we have discussed about the World Wide Web. So World Wide Web was that service that on which the internet runs on. And today we are going to discuss about the main language that is behind this, the design of the web pages. That means we'll see today the language that is used to design the web pages, the language that is used to see the attributes, the layout, and how to link the web page to another web page. So in a simple language, we are going to discuss about the HTML. So today's topic will be HTML, which stands for Hypertext and Markup Language. Repeating, Hypertext Markup Language. So HTML is basically a language which is used to design the attribute layout and to link the web pages to each other. This kind of language is used to design the web page. The web page, how it looks like the Facebook. The Facebook has a blue border on its top. So that background color, whenever you are clicking on someone's profile picture, it directs you to another web page. All these happens only because of the HTML. So today's topic will be, what do you mean by HTML and how you can save it, how you can view it, and what are the different tags used for that, and what are the different syntax for. So the definition of HTML is, it is used to define the layout of the attributes as well as to link this web page to another web page. If you go back of the history of the HTML, so the HTML was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. And if you will categorize the HTML into two parts, the first one is hypertext, the second one is markup language. So the hypertext is nothing but only simply a text that has different formats like formatting, images, animations, videos, etc. And the markup language means it is a way of writing all of those attributes in some basic syntax. So it all together, the hypertext markup language is used to make a layout of the how the web pages look alike. How the web page will look, it was decided by the programmer through this HTML, in which we can add image, we can add video, we can add PPT, and we can add any of the resources what the users want. So HTML tag is the second thing. So HTML is made of only number of tags, and these tags are written in the form of string, and it is written in between a pair of angular braces. The angular braces means the less than and the greater than symbol. All of those tags are embedded within that. So the HTML tags or elements are already predefined and that are not case sensitive. Case sensitive means you can write it either in the lowercase letter, you can write it in the uppercase letter. It totally depends upon the user how to treat it. It is not case sensitive, and each of these tags are predefined. The second thing is, all of those tags have two parts. One is the opening tag and it has the closing tag. The closing tags will be written within, it will preceded by just a backslash, front slash, and then that tag. I am taking an example. If I will write to put an heading, I will use the tag head. So there will be head, and after that the head has been ended, we should write it, the angular braces will be started, then the front slash and the head tag. So there will be closing tag and there will be opening tag. The closing tag will be preceded by the front slash within a pair of angular braces. Now coming to the third thing, how to write the HTML document and how to save it and how it will run. For that you need a text editor. That text editor may be Notepad, the text editor may be WordPad, that text editor may be MS Word, any kind of text editor. It is totally dependent upon you. You just write the HTML code within that, then go to the file options, then go to save. In that save, put your file name with the extension .html. Let me take an example. If I tell that file name as first, so I should write first.html, then just save it. And after saving that, you can see that on your any of your path you have chosen. If you have chosen the path that it will save on the monitor and desktop, then go for that. You will see that the icon will be created with respective the HTML. That means there should be right first.html. You just right click that, open with options, and you can choose any of the web browser you have, any of the search engine. You have Mozilla Firefox for that, you have Google Chrome for that, you have Internet Explorer for that. Just go with open with and choose any of that web browser and open it. You can clearly see the HTML, the web page as you have designed in your HTML programming. You can clearly see there would be heading, what you have done, that will be remain in the heading. The title will be there, the body will be there, everything will be there. According to your program, the web page will look alike. Now coming to the structure of HTML. The structure of HTML is a collection of different tags that are used for HTML. I am going to show you how actually it is used. You can see the first one, the tag of creating an HTML will start with HTML that should be written within that Angular braces. The second one will there be heading. So I should write head. If you want to put an heading, you can put that over here. Then we should go for to give some title. Then go for the title. After giving the title, here will be the title. The title will be ended, and to use that closing tag, I am using a front slash and the tag name within a pair of Angular braces. After that, I will put an heading, put an end to an heading. So front slash head will be ended. Then I should write the body tag. In between body tag, I should write whatever I feel like, and that should be seen in the browser's main page. You have to write different tags for that. And then after that, put a close to that body tag. That's why that is front slash body. And after the end, you should put an closing tag to the HTML. So put slash HTML. If I will show that a program of HTML, so I am just adjusting it. I will put the title. This is my HTML. Here is the title, and in body I should write this is my first web page. I have created an HTML program for that. Now the output will look like this. Here will be your web page. The first one will be the title bar for that. In the title bar, I should write this is my HTML, and in the body you can clearly see this is my first web page. This will be your output, and to get that output, you should write this program in any of the text editor you have in your computer. Any of the text editor you have in your computer. The second step will be you should save it with an extension of .html. You should go back to the file and click and open with format, and open with any web browser you have. Any kind of web browser you have, guys. You can use Google Chrome, you can go for Mozilla Firefox, you can go for Internet Explorer. It is totally depend upon you. Go for any web browser and just look, and here will be your output.